If you deploy your web application in a new environment, your application may become exposed to new types of attacks. For example, misconfigurations of your application server or incorrect assumptions about security controls may not be visible from the source code. This is where DAST, or Dynamic Application Security Testing, comes into play. It examines applications for vulnerabilities in these deployed environments. Here, we have a merge request. If we click on the Expand tab, we can see that DAST has detected 6 potential vulnerabilities. They are listed by severity. If we click on one, we have relevant information about the vulnerability, such as a description, the request that was sent, the response that was received, identifiers, as well as a solution to the problem. The vulnerability can also be dismissed with a message in order to alert the security team. A confidential issue can also be created for the security team and developers to collaborate on.